The Little Red Hen by Heather Forrest. A little red hen lived in a house with a frisky dog, a cat, and a mouse. One day, while she was pecking for worms in the weeds, she came upon a pile of golden wheat seeds. She said with delight, "Dog, cat, mouse, if you'd like some cake to eat, will you help me plant this wheat?" The dog said, "Not I." The cat said, "Not I." The mouse said, "Not I." My," said the hen with a sigh, "I shall have to do it myself." So the little red hen planted the seeds. She watered them, she pulled the weeds, she tended the plants all alone. When the stalks had fully grown, she said with a shout, "Dog, cat, mouse, if you'd like to eat some cake, who will help me cut the sweet?" The dog said, "Not I." The cat said, "Not I." The mouse said, "Not I." My," said the hen with a sigh, "I shall have to do it myself." So the little red hen cut and cut until she had enough wheat to grind at the mill. She said with some doubt, "Dog, cat, mouse, if you'd like some cake to eat, who will help me grind this wheat?" The dog said, "Not I." The cat said, "Not I." The mouse said, "Not I." My," said the hen with a sigh, "I shall have to do it myself." The little red hen ground the wheat to flour. Then it was the baking hour. She mixed up the batter and measured so well, soon the house was filled with a sweet cake smell. The dog, the cat, and the mouse followed the scent into the house. They hungrily admired the handsome treat. "How delicious!" they shouted. "When do we eat?" "Alone," the hen replied. "I planted, I weeded, I cut, I ground the little pile of golden wheat seeds I found. Alone I used the flour to bake the cake. Now who will help me eat this cake?" The dog said, "I'll help." The cat said, "I'll help." The mouse said, "I'll help." My," said the hen with a sigh, "I will share my cake with those of you who help when there is work to do. For after all is said and done, working together makes working fun." When the little red hen wants to bake, everyone helps to make the cake, and everyone helps to eat it. Friends, it's a better choice to work and help your family and friends, and then you can all have fun doing the work and you can share in the treat together. We can learn a lesson from the little red hen about how we can help others and work together with our friends.